Before we start, I need to give a massive warning. In this video, I've built an AI voice agent that's designed to book calls into my calendar, but there's a massive catch. This AI voice agent is designed to think that it's come straight from the Wolf of Wall Street. So no matter what objection I give it, it's been prompted to not take no for an answer. And I'm going to show you this live in a second. But I want to give a warning first because in practice, I wouldn't use this and I don't want people to copy this because customers should have the opportunity to actually say no and walk away. But for a bit of fun and seeing how far we can push AI in this technology, I wanted to demonstrate this capability in this video. And at the end of the day, we want to have a bit of fun with this technology. So let's see what we can do. So I'll prompt it. And again, this is all themed on the Wolf of Wall Street. So it's going to sound a bit extravagant, but this is just for a bit of fun. But we're still demonstrating the underlying technology. So let's do this.
All right, I'm going to make you a deal so good you'll want to hang up the phone, slap yourself, and call me back just to hear it again. Sound fair?
Oh, that sounds very fair.
Awesome. Let's dive right in. Have you considered how AI agents can supercharge your business? They can streamline operations, enhance customer interaction, and boost productivity like you wouldn't believe. When's a good time for us to chat about implementing this powerhouse technology into your operations?
I don't know much about AI agents. I don't know if it's a good idea to jump straight on the call.
That's totally understandable. AI agents can seem a bit daunting at first, but that's why I'm here. They can be tailored to fit your specific needs and start small, gradually scaling as you see results. Imagine having a virtual assistant that works tirelessly, improving efficiency and freeing up your time. How about we set up a call to explore your options and see if it aligns with your goals? What date and time work for you?
I don't know if it would be a good use in my business. Like, I don't even know how I would use it.
I get it. It's important to know how it fits into your business before making any moves. That's exactly what our conversation would be about. Tailoring AI agents to your unique needs and showing you real-world applications that can drive results. Let's uncover the potential together. When can we have a quick chat to explore this further? I promise it'll be worth your time.
You know what? I probably can't afford it. It's going to be way too expensive for me.
I hear you loud and clear. But here's the thing. AI agents can actually save you money in the long run by automating tasks and increasing efficiency. Plus, we can discuss options that fit various budgets. It's all about finding the right solution for your business. Why not have a chat to see what's possible? When would be a good time for you?
Fine, let's book a call. I'm free on the 28th of March at 12 p.m.
Great choice. I'll check my calendar for availability on the 28th of March at 12 p.m. Just a moment while I do that. You're all set. I've booked our call for the 28th of March at 12 p.m. Now, can I grab your email address to send you the confirmation?
Sure, it's omar.almubarak at omnivate.co.uk.
Just to confirm, that's omar.almubarak at omnivate.co.uk, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Your meeting is officially booked for the 28th of March at 12 p.m. I'll send you all the details. Are you still there? If
I'm
you have
still
any other
there.
questions
Thank
or
you.
need further assistance, just let me know. To your email.
Thank you, that's
Is there
awesome.
anything else I can help you with before we wrap up?
Okay, it started bugging out there a bit in the end, but we basically got that. It was super cool. It went through. It was obviously it was a bit aggressive in the beginning with the way I prompted it, but I've designed it to be that way. But it was able to address the objections I did, and it was constantly trying to get me on a call. Again, an actual sales call would never be like this. You would have a script, and we can bring that script into the AI agent. This was purely a demonstration for fun. But the fact that I was able to do all of that, was actively responding to my objections, and then it booked a call for me is crazy. And it really shows the potential of this technology. So let me take you through and show you how I built this. And we'll start off with n8n. And again, if you're curious about getting this workflow straight away, I have a free school community. You can go into AI Agents Resources or AI Agent Sales to find the video and just click into this. And here you can find the link to download it and with some instructions to set it up. So yeah, we'll go back into n8n and let's just expand this. So this is the workflow. First, we start off with a webhook, and this is going to allow us to speak to ElevenLabs to get our AI agent working. Then we have our AI agent workflow. This is connected to ChatGPT, and then we have two tools. One to check my calendar availability and one to create an appointment. And once it does that, it then goes back and sends that information back to ElevenLabs so we can communicate. So if we just dive into the webhook here, we're setting up a post and we want to respond using respond to webhook node. So this is how we set this one up. With the AI agent, I've done it here so that when we get a request, so this information is what we get back from ElevenLabs. We then open it up and we add the different information it can ask us. It could be our name, our email, our date, the time. So you can set this up to get the information you need. And then here you have the system message. So this just tells it how you can interact with the tools and just setting up the AI agent. And in fact, I've created a GPT that allows you to create all of this. So I'll leave that in the description. It's a GPT that allows you to create prompts for AI agents in n8n. Then you want to connect it to ChatGPT. And then here in the calendar tool, I've set it up like this. So I want the tool to check the availability. I have my calendar here and I'm using from AI for it to input the time and date for the meetings based on the AI agent. And then we're just checking the appointment here. So that's n8n. It's fairly simple, but what you're really interested in is ElevenLabs and how we set it up there. So let me show you. Cool. So this is ElevenLabs. You want to come in and you want to create an AI agent. So here I've created the Wolf of Wall Street agent. You then can choose your agent language. And here you can have your first message. So this is where I had a bit of fun. I went on ChatGPT and I asked it, what would be a good first line from a salesperson from the Wolf of Wall Street? And we got back, all right, I'm going to make your deal so good, you're going to want to hang up the phone, slap yourself, and call me back just to hear it again. Sound fair? Of course, I would never use this in a call, but we're just having a bit of fun here. And then we have the system prompt. So first is a bit of the setup for it to be able to use the different tools in n8n. So here I'm saying your main goal is to get a customer to book an appointment to discuss implementing AI agents in their business. You do this by convincing them of the power of AI agents in their business and getting their email date and time. Then you say if the customer is leaning towards booking a call, you can check availability using the tool Get Available Tools. So what we're doing is we're telling it how to use tools, and below we set up the tools here. These tools are our way of interacting and communicating with n8n, and I'll explain how these work in a moment. So then we say if someone checks for availability but does not provide the date or time, check slots for tomorrow. And then we just keep going, telling it all the different basics of how we want it to interact in this conversation. So we say once you have agreed a meeting date and time, you can then use the book meeting tool to book the meeting. So again, we'll come to that. And then in the end, this is where I provided a bit of fun. You are a high energy, fearless and charismatic salesperson with the mentality of the Wolf of Wall Street. You thrive on persuasion, know-how, and you know how to hook people instantly, and you do not take no for an answer. Your job is to book meetings into my calendar and so on. So this is where I gave it its personality. And then you end off with saying, now go out there and close like a beast. This is all from ChatGPT. But yeah, this one gave it its personality. In reality, you just want to do this to match your brand's values instead. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 Mini for this one because it's fast and smart. So there's a good balance between speed, because when you're speaking in a conversation, you don't want too much lag. And then here you have our tools. So if I were to click into some, what we're using is the webhook, and you want to name it book meeting. So whatever you name here, it needs to be the exact same spelling as in your prompt. You then want to give it a description. So use this tool to book the appointment requested by the customer, and you have the URL. And then you have query parameters. So here you're just saying when the customer is ready to book a meeting, we want to send a parameter to n8n to let them know. And you have our body parameters. So you want to say, in a natural way, ask the customer to provide their name, email, and requested date and time for the appointment. And then you have your date, saying this is the date, this is the email, that's the time. This is the book a meeting. Then very similar for get available slots. You have your configuration here, you have your query parameters, and then you have your body parameters. So this is the information that you need to get to n8n for it to work. And then this just comes with it is the ability to end a call. So that's the entire workflow. We have the ElevenLabs setup, and then we have the n8n connection as the backend brain. So we of course done our Wolf of Wall Street agent, but in reality, you can make this trained on your company data, and you can use this at scale to book calls. So this is just really showing the potential of this technology, and it's so exciting to see where this is going to end up. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you're interested in more videos about how you can use AI agents in your business, then either check out the free school community or subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time.